Hey everyone, we're at the Presidential Car Wash in Cypress, and let's see what system we got over here in this place. So we got like the $20 wash I got it from the coupon. So here we go. Starting off with top brush and soap. Watery coverage of triple foam. That was supposed to be like a lava of tri-foam, and it's very watery. Here comes the brushes. Hot lava wax, very thick coverage, that's cool. Never gain high pressure jets. The brushes are profiling the car really good, as you can tell. Getting a lot of soap. Okay, that one is not really contacting the car. There we go. Now we're getting a rinse. From the rinse arches. Spot-free rinse in the dryers. Oh wow, there is like a lot of soap. Are you serious? Wax application. Alright, there we go. Alright, let's see how the dryers does. We got Tech 21 and we got the, looks like these are like the, I feel like these are Premier dryers. Air 9 Premier dryers. I haven't seen one of those Tech 21 dryers before anyways. Yeah, they're Premier and MacNeil. Premier and MacNeil, which is the Tech 21 dryer. Looks like it's doing a not bad job. Looks like they were preparing something. Look at that. Alright. So here's the after results of the car. It cleaned good. Dryers did okay. It was very dirty and now I cleaned it off. Yeah, it did not too bad, I'll say. I'll give this one a 9 out of 10 for this one. Arches are MacNeil Rainstorm. That's what they advertise. Let's hear the start up of this one. And there's what the back part looks like.